Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern. It's so beautiful for baby blanket. I hope you will love this pattern. It's so easy and so pretty. I hope you love this pattern. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. I'm gonna show you now. So step by step. Don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this pattern multiple 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I'm gonna make small pattern. For this pattern I've made 36. You can't just your size, just multiple 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. Make double crochet in 5th. Okay. So this chain 4 is comfortable as the first double crochet. So I'll show you at the end. I'm gonna just make this double crochet row. Viewers, I am at the end. So I am at the end. Now chain 1. So this pattern will go in 2 rows. One with single crochet like this. Each top of the each stitch, make 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. So now I will start pattern. Let me go in end, then I will show you. So this single crochet row end. So again chain 1, make 1 single crochet, 2, then 3. So this always this pattern no change. Yarn over 1, 2, 3. So in 4th, with 4th I'm gonna make the front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Always this front post. So next 3 single. 1, 2, then 3. 4th one again front post. So 3 single crochet, 3 front post double crochet like this. Again 3 single, 1, 2, 3. So again 4th one, 1, 2, 3. So at the end you should have 3 stitches. single. This always like this, single. Again, you can see, again I'm gonna make single crochet row. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So all single crochet row, one row like this. So nothing change, just this pattern will go in one row, two rows, one single crochet, 1, 3 single crochet, 3 front post. So continue like this, your project, until your project end. So again single, 1, 2, then 3. So again yarn over, fourth one. Now always like this. When you make this, continues same way. One, 2, then 3, fourth, again front post. Again 1, 2, 3. Three, 1, 2, then 3. Again single crochet, this row again with single crochet. So I'll show you at the end. So it was at the end with single crochet row, again chain 1, always at the end chain 1, 1, 2, then 3, always 3. Yarn over, again front post, 2 front post, 3 front post. So with this pattern nothing change. Like this, again 3 single, again so viewers, you can continue like this. This pattern so easy, your beginner can make this pattern. Is pretty easy. Just make multiple 6, then one row with single crochet, one row like 3 front post, 3 single crochet. This row will go. So this, if you want to make baby blanket, you can make single crochet border with single crochet. This row with single crochet. So continue like this until the end. When you make this single crochet row, then all around make single crochet each place. When you make border, and then here in the corner make one single crochet, chain one, then one single crochet, again top of the each one single crochet, again at the corner make one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet. How you can make the border for blanket. So always chain one, 3 front post, 3 single, again 3 front post, single, 3 single, again 3 single at the end, again single crochet row I'm gonna make. So I hope you can understand this pattern now. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. So I hope you understand this pattern. This is so easy for beginner. I hope you will love this pattern.